Yeah, this year 2025 Dakar was yeah, was a good race, but at the end I was my best result so far in the Dakar with the fourth place and two-stage victory. That was actually a really good thing. But yeah, I had almost the taste of the podium. That feeling that I was short for a little bit for the podium feeling. Yeah, of course, my main goal was to try to be there, to be on the podium, and also together with Daniel. But at the end, yeah, I was a little bit short. But yeah, it was a tough race for me because mentally I struggled a bit on the first week. I think I was thinking too much about Kevin. I knew his conditions and then how dangerous was also and how tough was the first week. And I think I have this in my mind in the first week, and also for me is the hardest part, the first week. So yeah, after the rest day was a big change, and then I won the first stage, and then I won my second stage in Dakar consecutive opening, something that I was the only one doing in this Dakar. So yeah, it was something really special, but of course, like I say, it was really tough for me. Yeah, the rest of the rally season's been really good so far. I really struggled a little bit in Abu Dhabi, was the second round, and normally it was full of dunes. And this is a race that I really always like because I enjoy so much the dunes and it suits my style. But again, I think I started quite slow on the race and I did a wrong strategy the first day, slowing down, and then yeah, didn't find the best on the bike on the last days. But I think was yeah in some part was my mistake of we didn't change so much the settings from Dakar, and again was a fourth place. So I say okay, now I need to really make a change if I want to be in the podium, if I want to beat this guy and be again in front and be there for the fight, because at the end I want to win. And after that I did a lot of changes at home and trying to feel more what I really need. And yeah, after that I trained a lot, and then we come to South Africa. Was a really good race for me, a solid second place. That was actually yeah good feelings again on the bike, and then much better feelings on the settings, and then everything was feeling best. And Portugal as well was a really good race. Again on the podium, stage victory. So it's always good. It's always good to be on the podium because the pace is so high right now that it's not so easy to be there. So for me to be on the podium the last two rounds was really a good step. And of course now I just want to finish in a strong position also in Morocco, and from then on it's just the main focus is Dakar is my main goal, and all my energies and my goal are looking forward to that goal. Yeah, I've been working on the mental side, and I think is the part that I feel I can improve more. For sure, I can improve as a rider on my skills on the bike. Like I said, to put a better setting for me on the bike and all that things are super important. But for me, Dakar is the hardest race for the head. You have to be super strong on your head, and I've been working with my psychologist quite a lot to try to fix some things that I carry from the past and from when I started Dakar, let's say. And yeah, for me it's a key of the race, and try to be strong in the head for the success is the most important thing.